Now I have this here, and it will be created another event here the next week, and I can change the months. Now I can have these 3 events. Okay, every Thursday. Now I have a quiz. It will be repeated 3 times only. This is what does it mean repeated here. Any question? I think it's very simple. The calendar is very simple. Okay, fine. This is what we call the calendar. Okay. And we can move to another subject now. Okay, you can, Sabahat, you have the mic if you wish. You can open your mic.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, sir. I have to ask 2 questions. First of all, I would to
Yeah.
ask that can we sync this with the Google Calendar? And second question, sir, do we receive a notification when the event will arrive? So do we receive any notification or email about the event in the calendar? Thank you very much.
Yes, yes, you can receive some notification of your calendar about the events. Yes, it will be in the posts. Okay, about your updates also. Okay, and we will show you. Okay. Okay. Then what you can do here is you can get an external calendar link here. Okay. You can put this calendar in your Google Calendar. Yes, but you copy this link. Okay. You cannot import a calendar from outside to Blackboard. No, it's not possible. You can use this URL for importing your selected calendar content into other calendar applications. This is a private address for this calendar. Don't share this address with others unless you want them to see all the event on this calendar. The only way is that then you can take this link and import the calendar into, for example, Google Calendar, yes. But you cannot import from outside of this calendar. It's not possible, no. Okay. And you will get notification, okay, for the events here. When we start, you should get notification here. In the updates. The update it will show all the announcement and change it to your courses. All courses are displayed by default. Select the name for individual course, and you can see the update of an or announcement from that course only. Okay, this update and announcement are presented in order for most recent to oldest. Then you will get this notification from the updates. It should be from the updates. If you have any events, new events, okay, Sabahat, you can, okay.
Sir, we don't have an email notification option in this. Can we adjust? Like, do we receive an email or no, sir?
This is when you, for an event, no, I don't think so, no. We don't have this option on Blackboard, no. You will not receive an email when you create an event. No, no, you will not be able. But when you create another due date event, you can mention, we will see that you can, for example, create an announcement, okay? And when you create this announcement, you can send email for your students while creating this announcement, okay? But creating the event, it will not send email. No. Then the student should log into Blackboard daily and to see the update about the course. This is an issue, yeah, correct. As you can see, when I create the event, there is nothing, okay, mentioned that we will send an email here, okay? There is no option for sending email, no option. What you can get is only updates about your course, okay? And the student should log in daily to see the update about the course. Okay. Okay, when you create items like assignment with a due date, such as test or assignment, the calendar event automatically appear on the calendar for that day. For calendar event associated with content items, all adapted release and availability rules are handled and ensuring that the release of an item is in synchronization with the calendar. And okay, we can add the calendar link to the course menu. It's a tool link. We will show you now how to add to your course menu. If you want your student to access the course calendar from your course, you can add a link to your course menu for online access to the tool. And okay, then we can start with the Blackboard now instructor features. And this is only for the instructor. This will not be for the student. The Blackboard Learn environment allows you to easily navigate, provide content, edit items, and change options that affect how users interact with the interface. And this is the instructor features in your course. This is the desktop form for your course when you log into a course. This part, if you wish, this part, I will put a pen here. Okay. This part, okay, this part is what we call the course menu. This is the course menu. This will appear for both student and instructor. And we have this part is the control panel. This part is the control panel. This will only appear for instructor. This will not appear for, or it will not be displayed for students. Then this only instructor part. And we have here the C, this icon here, the I icon. This will enable you to enter as a student preview mode. And here, This is the edit mode. And if you have this small arrow here, this small arrow, okay, it will give you what we call in Blackboard contextual menu. Contextual menu. These are the main part of your screen when you log into your course as an instructor and not as a student. And the course menu, we can define every part here. The course menu here is the access point for all course content. Instructor determine which links are available here. And the control panel following the course menu is an instructor's access point for course. You have management functions. You can manage the course style. You can manage the course tools and users from this area. Students do not see the control panel. Students do not see the control panel. We have the student preview mode. When student preview mode is enabled, you can review course content and validate course behaviors from a student perspective, as if you have a student account. It's a temporary student account, okay? What happened in Blackboard, you will be logged in with a student account called the preview. It will be called the preview user account. And you will be enrolled in this current course as a preview user account. And your institution sometimes may disable this feature, but I think it is enabled in Qasim University. And edit mode. When edit mode is on, all the instructor functions appear. This includes action bar functions such as build content or the appearance of the contextual menu. When the edit mode is off, you are viewing the course as a student see it. The edit mode function appears to users with a role of only instructor. Okay, if you have a role of instructor, teaching assistant, TA, course builder, or administrator. Action bar. Rows at the top of the page containing page level actions such as build content, search, delete, and upload. The functions on the action bar change depending on where you are in your course. The action bar can contain multiple rows of functions such as the main grade center page. We have also what we call in Blackboard contextual menu. Many components or items in Blackboard have what we call contextual menu, such as content items, course menu links, or grade center columns. The options in the contextual menu vary depending on the component. We will see that. And you can only click on this symbol, small arrow next to the item to access the contextual menu.